good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on when you're watching this. I know y'all are like, why she just can't get her speech together? Anyway, and y'all are like, yeah, she's batching videos today because that's what she doing. That's what she doing. So, welcome to another weekly email. I'm gonna break this thing down for you all. Make sure that we're good to go and have everything in a way that works for you all. So, this week's topic is, did you know you could actually send us videos? What? We send you videos to break down certain situations, tax return explanations, or sometimes it may just be easier for me to give you the information in a video way because I like to show you the source. Y'all know I'm an educator at heart. And so for those of you all who are currently our tax clients who already have access to the portal, I wanted to let you know that there's a feature in there for you to be able to share with us a video. Okay. So I am going to share with you my screen. I'm going to give you access to my personal account. I told you I actually use TaxDome for my personal stuff. It is me and my husband's account, and the easiest way to show you is from the client view. Okay. So I'm in the client view, your view, so that you can actually see how you can respond to us. All right. So let's go and jump over. I'm sharing my screen. Hopefully everybody can see this. Maybe, hopefully it's not too tiny. Maybe you can blow it up, turn it sideways, whatever you do on the internet, right? So these are all the chats. I'm in the chat and tasks section. That's where I'm at. Chat and tasks section. Say that 25 times, right? Now, here we go. Y'all actually had the same thing. I really want to show you this too, because you're like, wait a minute, I had a message and it was there and now it's gone. There's a active in the archive option. I'm gonna check this to make sure y'all actually had this, because maybe it's just on my side because I'm in the view as, but it say I'm logged in as Eric. So make sure y'all had this. Archive active. Let me know. All right. And I'm gonna log out altogether and try it. But if you do a new chat from your view, you create a new subject. And I'm gonna send this to myself. Test. Test. That's what we're gonna call it. All right. And then you can attach a file, a PDF, and upload it directly. You can pull the PDF directly from either TaxDome or your device, right? So if it's already in TaxDome in a folder that you created, you can attach it, okay? You can actually do bullets and all the stuff you do when you type a message. Type away. You can bold. You can italicize. You can underline. All right, we got all those features just like you would in a message. You can attach a link. This is why I give y'all direct links. Pay attention. You can attach a link and go directly to the link. You can use emojis, because who doesn't like emojis? Everyone likes emojis. I wish I was taking a nap. Okay. And then you got this beautiful feature of embedding a video. So you cannot automatically record the video in TaxDome. You have to record the video either in Loom, YouTube, Vimeo, or Google and get the link. All right. Loom is free. Loom is free, you all. So you can get you a free Loom account, record a video, grab the link, and put the link here. And that's how the videos are showing up. Or if you got a YouTube stuff, I would recommend doing Loom because you can do it on your phone and you can actually use Loom in your browser. Okay? That's my, or if you got a video in Google Drive or whatever else you're using. Wherever you got else you got your videos. If you've done them on your phone and you want to upload them into a Loom or something like that, you got the ability to do that. Or you can upload it into a Google Drive link. Copy the link. Vimeo is free like that too. Vimeo and Loom are really good. I have both. Copy the links, post the link, and the video will show up. I'm gonna see if I can grab something real quick. I'm over there sharing the screen. So y'all can see, nope. Y'all can see what happens when I do this. I'm going to grab one. How to complete IRS form. Let's say somebody wanted how to complete IRS form 8832. I actually did record this. Boom. And there it is. Because it's actually sitting in Loom. You can do the exact same thing. And then send it. Create the chat. Send it. It does what it does. All right. So I want you to see, that's really what we're doing. So if you had a message or anything that you wanted to do, I'm going to get rid of that real quick. I don't need that. I'm going to get rid of this entire message. But I wanted to show you all how to use that feature in TaxDome, in the chat feature, because I want you to know that it's accessible to you and that please use it. Like sometimes you're trying to show me something is off. That would be a great way. Or I'm uncertain and you don't know how to articulate it. Or you can take a screenshot and say, okay, and I've had clients do this. Hey, Patrice, this part of the organizer is off. Let me see it. Because the more information we have, the better off we will be to be able to serve you. So wanted to let you know that that tool is out there and it's available to you all, how to use the chat function. I like the chat function because I'm not going to lie to you. I only check email a couple of times a day. 4 and 8. 8 and 4. 8 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock. I'm not in my email all day. But as I told y'all, this is the cornerstone of our business. And I do check this a little bit more frequently. I do have my time frames depending on what we're doing at that time. And chats allow me to move through stuff and I can figure out, right? Because the other thing I can do is, let's say I had, what's it called? Tasks. Let's say you had some task here, client tasks that I need you to do. I like to use checklists, and I find that chats is the best way to be able to give you that checklist opportunity. So that's why I do it. That's how I am. Wanted you to know about this feature. Tell me, have you used it? Do you like it? I have a couple of clients who have used it, and it's been a godsend for me. And sometimes it's easier to record a video, upload it or something, and get it to me than it is to try to type stuff out. So let me know. Are you willing to use this? Download Loom as an app on your phone. I know y'all probably like, it's so many darn apps, Patrice. But it'll come in handy. Y'all tech stack gonna be as big as mine before it's all said and done. All right? Talk to you soon. Have a great week.